Hello, on this video we are showing how to install BTMM strategy in your computer. On the video description we have provided links for downloading the strategy. Beat the Market Maker (BTMM) is a forex trading strategy that has gained popularity among retail traders seeking to gain an edge in the highly competitive foreign exchange market. This strategy revolves around the idea of understanding and anticipating the actions of market makers, who are the large financial institutions and banks that provide liquidity to the forex market. By deciphering the intentions and behaviors of these market makers, traders using the BTMM strategy aim to position themselves to profit from their actions. One of the key principles of the BTMM strategy is to understand the dynamics of order flow in the forex market. Market makers execute large volumes of trades on behalf of their clients, including institutional investors, corporations, and other financial entities. These trades can significantly impact currency prices, causing temporary fluctuations or longer-term trends. By analyzing the flow of buy and sell orders, traders employing the BTMM strategy attempt to identify the footprints left by market makers and anticipate their future actions. Central to the BTMM strategy is the concept of stop hunting, which refers to the practice of market makers deliberately triggering stop-loss orders placed by retail traders. Stop-loss orders are automated instructions to sell a currency pair if its price falls below a certain level, designed to limit potential losses. Market makers may strategically move prices to trigger these stop-loss orders, allowing them to buy or sell at favorable prices and potentially profit from the ensuing price movement. Traders using the BTMM strategy aim to recognize these stop hunting patterns and avoid falling victim to them.